and today I'm taking a trip down memory lane as we make a favorite old-time Bajan treat. Today we're making tamarind balls. You guessed it, from the tamarind. This is a sweet yet sour snack and it takes no time at all. And if you enjoy tamarinds as much as I do, I'm gonna link another recipe I made with the tamarind in the iCards above and also in the description box below. Tamarind drink that is so refreshing, you are going to love it. So now let's go over the ingredients. We have about 1 cup of tamarinds. I would have removed the shell to expose just the pulp. This is what we need to make our tamarind balls. We have about 3 cups of sugar. We're not going to use all 3 cups, but we will use the sugar as we go along. We'll use a tip of water and some granulated sugar at the end. Our first step is to put our tamarind pulp into a large bowl. We're going to add some sugar. And then we're going to add some water, just a tip of water, and we're going to try to gel the sugar and the pulp together. You're going to use your hand and we're going to gel everything together. We're going to knead our mixture for about 5 to 10 minutes, then portion into some small sizes and roll it in the palms of your hand until you form a nice ball. Then roll the ball in some granulated sugar. Our tamarind balls are done. Now you may not always get the perfect rounded shape, but this is close enough. I used to always love pinching it to get a seed, and that seed is just covered with gooey pulp and sugar. The perfect balance of sour and sweet. Tamarind balls takes me way back. Now you need to try it. Now if you have enjoyed this Bajan recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other Bajan recipes, and once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.